everyone, my name is Mokhsha. Welcome to Magical Mokhsha channel. So, I am talking about plants. Plants are die in the summer. So, summer is a hot season. So, plants are die. So, we pour water every day with in the plants. So, we pour water. It look like this. It's so long now. So let's talk about now for birds. So here's the birds place. So birds need water and rice, greens to not cook it, and we need some seeds like black seeds, like these yellow seeds, and I don't know names, and these green seeds, and these green color seeds. I don't know names. So they eat some seeds like these 4 different kind of seeds and these greens, and look, and water. So let's make a quiz for the plants. So, plants need water or sun rays or rain. Let's talk. What is we pour? Right answer is A. A is the correct answer. We pour water every day for our plants and a little bit sun rays. Okay. Next quiz. Next question. So, you pour water, plants die or grow or fell down. Answer B. Grow. The plants will grow like that big. Next question. So, plants need water or heat or lighting. We need food for them and water for them. We need for them water for drinking. Anyone need water now? So water, and anyone need food too. So food. Next talk about bird quiz. Here is the bird quiz. Let's talk about bird quiz. Birds eat rice or eggs or vegetables. Vegetables and small pieces of vegetables and rice, and drink some water too. So they drink water or orange juice or apple juice. So water is the correct answer. They drink water. They know the apple juice and orange juice. So next quiz. So birds can eat tiffin or dinner like chicken. They can eat seeds or tiffin or dinner. They eat seeds. Like this black seed. The black seed is so black. And like these green seeds. And like these yellow seeds. And like these green seeds. They eat seeds and water.